I'm an Igbo girl. Of course, I'm beautiful. I can cook very well. I mean, way. I'm an Igbo girl. Of course, I speak my dialect. I am with Mercy Eke. I will mwa febu. Owere. Ele panumere. Nari pole. I love Romuno Nano. I'm an Igbo girl. Of course, I like women. Ego dimpa. I'm an Igbo girl. Of course, my name is Mercy Eke.
Papa Mu, right?
Mpamu
from Umaya.
Mpago onye be kwe ni Igbo. Mpamu onye kwe na English.
Mpamu bu Abia State.
Abia State to Abia State.
Okay, Mpamu bu onye Undoro Umaya Abia State. Mama bu onye Arachuku Abia State.
Together now it was onye ebe.
Onye ebe Abia State.